Yo, first order of the day. Got a Safeway shop and deliver for some alcohol. $24 going 10 miles. All the offers I've gotten so far today have been paying really well, but they've also been really high mileage. Pretty low expectations for today. It is Black Friday, which I think means everyone should have leftovers from yesterday. And everyone's gonna be out shopping.
Please remain up.
They only have one bottle. Customer requested 2. Trying to see if they want to substitute or just the one bottle. Giving them like 5 minutes, otherwise I'm just checking out with the one. Time is ticking, my guy. I mean, I tried. I gave them 5 minutes. Not gonna be standing there all day. Morning. Scribble on that line for me.
There.
Good enough for me. There you go.
Oh, have a nice day.
Yeah, you as well. $15 tip. Holy. Yeah, that house always tips really well. Unfortunately, I've delivered there many times, and I'd say more often than not, there is issues with their orders. I think I'm gonna take this stacked order. Human bean, coffee, and seize the bagel. $10.50 going under 6 miles. I should be pulling up to the coffee place in like a minute. You too. Okay, that took way longer than I thought it would.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
She was looking around like the order hadn't come in yet, so she had me a little worried there, but we got it. And luckily the drop-off is like 2 minutes away from here. Yeah, I don't think those orders were worth it. The coffee didn't take like 10 minutes. Might have been all right, but not worth it. Just got this Walgreens shop and deliver order. It was like $12 and some change going 5 miles. Not bad at all. There we go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this person gave me a room number, but instructions say to leave it at the front desk. I asked them which one they wanted, but no response yet. I'm just gonna leave it at the front desk and hope that's good enough. Hello. Thank you. Hopefully that's what they wanted, because half of the pay was a tip. Next order just came in. Shop and deliver for Safeway. $7 going less than 2 miles. Looks like we're craving some bacon this morning. I don't like bologna. Do you want bologna?
I love them.
They don't have this kind of bacon.
Yeah.
You're just doing this all day?
Thank you now.
Thank you.
Have a good one, all right?
You as well. I accidentally accepted this Starbucks order. but it was $10 and some change going less than 2 miles, so maybe it was just a happy little mistake. I was kind of worried that this drop-off was going to be inside of the mall, considering the mileage.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Been sitting here for a while, but I finally got my next order. It's another Starbucks. This one is $8 and some change going about 4 miles. Well, I expected it to be slow today, but I was not expecting for DoorDash to be down. So I think I'm just gonna call it for the day. This is probably gonna be a really short video. Pretty good orders today, at least the ones that I took. There were some really bad ones as well. Anyways, time is 10:30. Current total is 67, and I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in. Should put me around 75, 80. I am calling it really early today, but seems like everyone's gotten their breakfast and they're all shopping now. So I don't expect it to be busy anytime soon. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.